second stream of the day. Just had some dinner, and yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go. Let's just finish off the setup here. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's do this. Okay, so where do we leave off earlier? Dun. Okay, so here's what we built. I mean, the page is built. It passes. Oh wow, it failed the test. When I click on the dot mapping, I'm taking the corresponding section to the landing page. Oh. What happened? What happened? Okay, I think I accidentally deleted a thing. Right. Features section, how it works, and pricing table. So let's see. Feature section. How it works. It's a class. Maybe I need a class. And priced. Nah, I mean it was working earlier, so there's no reason for it to fail all of a sudden. Let's run the test again. Yeah. Feature section is not linked to feature. Hashtag feature section is not linked. Oh, because it's class. We only read an ID. That's what we need. Right, here we go. So 16 out of 16 says passing all the tests. So since it's passing all the tests, and I mean it looks pretty cool now too, right? Compared to, so if you look at the page, all right, let's change the view. Save it first. Change it to a full page view, right? That's what it looks like. It's got this cool little thing. There's the design. Oh wow, we need to change. All right, let's change the buttons up. And we're going to change this to be full width as well. And then we're going to put I think this needs to be in the same line. I don't know why it's in two different lines. So the original design, they have it, not this one. They have it in two lines, but I don't think it needs to be two lines. It doesn't look as good when it is in two separate lines. So we are going to try, and yeah, let's change this up a little bit. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to change is this button right here. These buttons. So we're going to change that to this class. So change. We go back into edit view. So I think the easiest way to do that is to grab the basically hijack the CSS for this button, which is, I think it's a video button. We named it. Yeah, video center button. Do you know what? I'm just gonna. Nope. We're gonna give it another name. Pricing button. And we're gonna grab that. And each of the buttons, we're gonna give it a class. Unless I did earlier and I've forgotten it. No. Okay. So class equals pricing button. And we're going to copy that and we're going to do the, oh, okay. Did I apply the wrong one? I don't know what's going on. Yeah, button, pricing button. Yep. Why does it not want to work? All right. So we can't have this because that doesn't work. What we need is a value equals by now, right? Hang on, that doesn't even work. That doesn't work. It doesn't work because, why does it not work? Oh man, I'm changing stuff. I shouldn't be changing. Yeah, that is not my pricing button. That's why that can go away. So we actually already have. I've actually got it as select. That's why it says select by now. This also needs to be changed to by now. By now for that one as well. There you go. Now it's changing. But it's not applying the style to it, which is annoying. Class equals that. Give it an S. Pricing buttons. Let's see. So where did I put it? I put it within. Right here, but it doesn't want to work. Okay, that works, which is great. But why didn't it work when I put it in there? Maybe I needed like a double selector. Is probably why it didn't work. Okay, we want border none. Border color. No. We do not want a border there, bro. Border width, nothing. I think it does need a border color actually. We also need to make this text in the center, maybe. Nah. All right, whatever. This is good enough. I think. I just want to make this 100% width, and then we're good to go. I believe that is just the footer, right? Yeah. Let's see. So footer width 100%. Okay, that's interesting why he's doing that. Don't think I've got footer elsewhere. Oh, I already have a footer. Footer links, footer P. Yep. You need to go away. So, footer. Margin left, margin right. Get out of here. Width 100%. Border. No. Background color. I'm gonna give it the same color as the sticky header, which is this one, or the fixed header rather. Yeah, background color is that. That looks too colorful. I think it needs to be darker actually. Just grab this color right there, and then just gonna change it up. Yeah, that definitely looks better. The footer links, li. Color white. Yeah, white looks better. Margin, I think it's a top margin 10, maybe even 15. Yeah, copyright. It's P, footer P, margin right. Okay. I actually don't want it to be in double line, so yeah, put the links flex is okay. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna make this a list item, and I'm gonna make it the very to the right, I don't want it to the right. Here's what we can do. We're gonna take this div, delete that. We're gonna add it as the first div right here. Okay. And we're gonna give the footer class of footer layout maybe, and footer layout is going to be a class display flex, and flex direction row. Yep, I like that. That's cool. Flex row, flex end. Yeah, let's add the same thing to the footer layout. You know, it'd be easier if I just did different divs. If I just added that as a list item, and that'd be the first. Do you know what I mean? And then you just get rid of all that. All that. Don't need that. Right? And don't need this anymore. This can go away too. Yeah, I like that. And we're just gonna add some spaces above and below the this section, which is pricing table, I believe. What's that? Margin bottom. Yeah, there you go. Cool. Yeah, that looks good. I'm happy with that. It passes all the tests. It looks decent compared to what it was. So feature takes you there. I don't like. We should be doing that, not that. Okay. But I would have to create a div and I have to select the div just above it, which is interesting. But whatever. I think it's good for the purpose of this exercise. So the link, I believe, is just that. Okay. We are now going to go ahead and submit this as complete. Whew, there you go. That's 60% of the thing is complete. Right, something like that. And all right, build a technical documentation page. This one's going to be fun. All right, let's close. Yeah, let's close that. That's good, 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 good. There's 20-minute stream, eh? All right, I'm actually gonna stop the stream so we can segment the different videos to different videos. Basically, I'm gonna stop and restart straight away.